do have the risk of severe weather today. I mean, we're talking about the possibility of hail, strong winds, and in the next few hours.
All modes of severe weather will be likely and heavy rainfall. So Karen, we're looking at a pretty rough day ahead. In fact, make sure you have ways to get alerts as well as a safe place to go to, just in case severe thunderstorms roll through your area a little bit later on. So in the Metroplex, likely to see the main event take place here across the region as we move into the latter part of this evening. However, I will continue to monitor the chance for strong to severe thunderstorms popping up down to the south of the Metroplex as we move into even as early as 2 p.m. Again, first alert weather day in store for you today, and as we move into the day tomorrow, severe storms will be likely and the potential for some flooding concerns back into the forecast. I do want to get you into what we're going to be anticipating here across the region, and we're right now seeing a couple spotty showers starting to take place to the east of the I-35 corridor, anywhere from Greenville, Sulphur Springs, stretching down to Athens, Corsicana, seeing just some light showers pop up, but temperatures right now in the low to middle 70s, so it's not feeling too bad outside. You won't need a jacket all day long because temperatures will continue to climb, even reaching 80 degrees, and it'll feel a little muggy too. We have lots of moisture actually streaming in from the Pacific. We have a low pressure system that's centered over Mexico, and it'll continue to move off to the east through the day today. That's our big weather maker that'll continue to, well, provide us the chance for severe weather. This is exactly why we have a level 3 out of 5 risk today, and that will encompass a good chunk of our western counties, anywhere from Fort Worth to Breckenridge, all the way up to Bowie, Bridgeport, and including places like Cleburne. A level 3 out of 5 threat. Now, anywhere highlighted in yellow, which is all of next North Texas, we have that potential for a scattered risk, which is a level 2 out of 5 threat. Regardless, big hail is one of the things that's in the forecast. Damaging winds, also a heightened risk, but tornado threat, notice it's a level 2 out of 5 threat here across North Texas. Make sure you have an interior room away from any windows and doors to go to for your safe place. Flooding also will be a concern, isolated pockets for those of us who get a steady, heavy amount of rainfall. Let's time it out. It's around that 2 to 7 p.m. hour we get the first wave that moves through. We have a capping inversion in the atmosphere, so that's going to be dependent on who sees strong thunderstorms or who sees really severe thunderstorms. So that's something we're keeping an eye out for. It's all conditional and based on the atmospheric environments. Those will continue to stream up to the north and to the east. Then here's our second wave. It's that frontal system collides into instability and moisture, and that's when we're expecting really a damaging wind threat and a potential for even some tornadic development. That is associated with that line of thunderstorms that spark up anywhere from 7 p.m. to midnight tonight. Again, it's looking like around our anywhere from 9 p.m. tonight to even midnight when the strongest development will be likely here across the Metroplex. Strong line starts to move through and pushes off to the east. Even Wednesday morning, your early morning commute could be impacted due to heavy rainfall, maybe even a strong rumble of thunder. Tomorrow, still looking at a level 1 out of 5 threat for severe weather to the east of the Metroplex into eastern Texas, a level 2 out of 5 threat. I do want to go ahead and talk about your 7-day forecast. Again, we'll continue to watch for the chance of some strong thunderstorms as we move into the day today and as we head into the day tomorrow. Again, here's your 7-day. We're looking at 81 degrees as your forecast high today. Tomorrow, 77 degrees. But as we make our way into the weekend, that's when the conditions really get nice. 66 in the forecast for your high temperature into Thursday. Lots of sunshine, and the sunshine stays in the forecast as we move through the weekend. It's not until Sunday when we start to get a little bit of a breeze and another frontal system will swing through. By the start of the next week, temperatures, the high will be around 59.